Assalamu alaikum students. So today we have the target paper for chemistry. First of all, we have short question on the multiple choice questions. You can see the answers as well. It is appearing as the bold characters. First of all, we have the alkali metal that gives a yellow color during a flame test is sodium. A highly paramagnetic ion among the following is Pe plus 3. The functional group that contains a nitrogen atom, it will be amide. An organic compound possesses the structure formula of CH3CS, double bond CHC, and triple bond CH. Its correct IUPAC name is 3-pentene and 1-YEene. Acylation of benzene in the presence of aluminum chloride, it will be acetophenone. Which of the following composition justifies the secondary alkyl halide? So here is it, R2CHX. Which of the following alcohol has the highest boiling point? So N-pentyl alcohol has the highest boiling point. The reagent used to oxidize ketones into carboxylic acids is potassium dichromatic. And formic acid is naturally found in bee's string. A condensation polymer of amino acid is protein. Nail polish remover is mainly consisting of acetone. The primary goal of green chemistry is developing environmentally friendly chemicals. Atomic absorption spectrum is represented by dark lines against the bright background. Coordination number of cobalt in this structure is 6. Urea belongs to the class of compounds amide. The carbon of carbonyl group has hybridization of sp2. The carbon of carbonyl group is sp2 hybridized. Catechol and resorcinol are position isomers. Cathode in Costner-Kerner cells is mercury. The steel is typically used in making fry pans, alloy steel. So these are I have read some of them. So you can pause the video and see the MCQs. Here are some MCQs. You can check it. You can pause the video and see the MCQs there. Mm, So these are the MCQs. Like the sugar molecules are classified as carbohydrates. Nylon 6,6 is a condensation polymer, hexamethylene diamine, and adipic acid. The pH of acid rain is below 5. Yeah. The S-block element forms superoxide when burned in air is potassium. The compound belonging to the alkene family is C2H4. Matter directing group among the following is NO2. Which of the following is trihydrogenol pyrogallol? Saponification is the formation of soap by the reaction of fat and oil with alkali. The increase in global average temperatures is primarily attributed to greenhouse gases emission. The animal starch is glycogen. 5D series is outer transition element. 5D series of outer transition element is La and Hg. Mercury. Then, which of the following gives silver test with Tollens reagent? So it gives HCHO. Carboxylic acid is a stronger acid than ethanol, C2H5OH. Total number of alpha amino acids are 22. DDT is a chemical which commercially known as insecticides, which is used to kill the insects. Smoke is a word used for the combination of a smoke and fog. Okay, then we have rectified spirits contain 92 to 95 alcohol. Another name of methane is marsh gas. This is the most common MCQs. And then we have these MCQs. Ozone layer is present in which of the following region of atmosphere? So it is present in stratosphere. Here it is written. You can pause the video and read it yourself. I'm just reading it, some of them. The most reactive molecule towards the nucleophilic addition in the following is formaldehyde. The catalyst used in automobile catalytic converter is a mixture of platinum and platinum. And the element is not used for electroplating is manganese. A hydrocarbon with the molecular formula of C7H12 is possibly heptine. It cannot be heptane, it cannot be heptene, it will be heptine. You can draw as a structure. Ozone depletion, this is the important one. Ozone depletion is upper atmosphere is mainly it will be N. Cannot be edited right now. So ozone depletion in upper atmosphere is mainly caused by chlorofluorocarbons, the hydrocarbons which contain chlorine and fluorine. This is a common one. Milk sugar is also called lactose. The sugar present in the fruits will be fructose. These were the MCQs, approximately 165 MCQs. So अगर आप ये करेंगे तो possibly आपका MCQs portion निकल जाएगा. So I hope you will prepare for it. Best of luck guys. Allah Hafiz.